this is the stats. Girls, for young girls that are like 15 and younger, their suicide rate has tripled since social media started.
Yeah.
And for older high school girls, it's more than doubled. Imagine that.
How come?
And self-harm and stuff. It's because you're constantly comparing yourself to other people that are unattainably beautiful, right? And they're using filters and stuff, and you imagine that that's how they look like.
In
And
real
so you hate
life.
yourself even more. And yeah, just literally it's all about self-esteem, man. If you have self-esteem and confidence, you can conquer the world. But if you feel like you're not beautiful, you're not getting as many likes as the hot girl in class, then I don't know. Women are, they get more sensitive. Maybe
What kind of
Bernadette, you can help
stupid
us
shit
out here.
is honestly? What kind of stupid shit are people getting themselves into nowadays? Like,
Oh.
why do you have to compare yourself to people? This is why, and I'm gonna say this like on the show. This is why whenever we talk about like Joe Rogan, I'm like, listen, let's not compare ourselves to Joe. Not because Joe Rogan is something we'll never reach. It's just because like, why compare ourselves to someone who's worked way before we have, right?
Right. He's 50. Literally.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is why this is the secret, I think, to how many people achieve their fame is because they are on a race against themselves.
Right.
I don't know if
Yeah.
Bernadette, you can agree with me or not, but
Yeah.
people
It's
always-
like every person has their own like map, and we compare ourselves or our maps to others.
exactly.
So
You can't do that. That's not fair. It's not fair on you.
if you
That's
could, exactly.
like
So if you compare yourself to Joe Rogan, like he is now he's in like he has his pin on a specific place on his map, and you're somewhere else. But it's not fair for you or for them to compare it like equally. Like I should. Why am I not like him or them or he or she?
exactly.
I think
Right.
also. Yeah, go ahead.
And you know what? Joe Rogan watches our show and he's like, how come these guys get to get people from Egypt? That's not fair. I don't want that.
Yeah.
Exactly.
How did he get to Bernadette? That's not even possible.
Yeah.
He tried, but
You know, right? But no, they go on into the show because it's funner.
Yeah.
Right?